Ready? Guys, I just discovered something really cool. The sun is actually already set. It's behind this canopy and all those trees, but it's still light, and my panels are picking up that light. So over 700 watts from ambient light. Again, not cutting, no tricks. It's from just the sky. Probably the surface helps, but the sun, I mean the shadow, I watched the shadow go from, you know, this all the way over the panels. We still have ambient light worth hundreds of watts from just a few kilowatts of solar. Wow. That's huge, huge.